Es que no puedo contigo, eres precioso.
Thank heaven for our beautiful world. For the birds that soar in the immense sky, for the precious flora that adorns our earth in an exquisite array of colors. For the awe-inspiring and majestic sceneries, and for all the amazing people from the animal kingdom, our co-inhabitants, that generously share their beauty and unconditional love. Blessed are we to be guests on this magnificent planet. In deep gratitude, may all creations thrive in peace and dignity under the merciful grace and protection of divine love.
The mystics have suggested that we know you have to survive by extinguishing some life. Why not do it by taking the life of the least conscious beings, which are trees and plants and vegetables? Ishwa Puri G, vegetarian,